don't make an ass out of you and me. We're going to talk about assumptions in the ATM business in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's why I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will generate you a consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent monthly income, passive income, and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's really going to be up to you. There's some people that want to get out, quit their 9-to-5s. They want to get out of their 9-to-5 job. There's some people that need to supplement their retirement, or maybe they're just starting to think about retirement now. There's some people that want to put out less money for a decent ROI versus putting out a ton of money for a decent ROI. And there's some people that are just finally ready to put their money to work for them, right? So it's going to be personal to each person, and it might fall into multiple categories, right? Like a lot of folks want more time, more freedom, okay? So that's why, you would want consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames from ATMs. If you'd like me to help you starting your ATM business and implementing your ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit that ATM right there or right there. I don't know where the ATM is, but hit it and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that bell, select all, so every time I post a video, you are notified. All right, so some assumptions. People, don't mind me, I'm eating some macadamia nuts. There's some assumptions that people make sometimes when they're in the ATM business and when they're getting into the ATM business that could, get them, I don't want to say get them in trouble, but cause them to make some mistakes and maybe to lose potential profit and just things like that. Just a couple that I want to point out. This is something that happened to one of my students. They were posting in the group about a strip club. You were talking to somebody who had a strip club, and they were talking about the surcharge fee and that the guy only wanted to charge $5. All right, whatever. And I reminded them, and I'm reminding you, that you are in control of your ATM business. You are the expert, right? And, I mentioned about our 2 strip clubs that we have that have a $9 surcharge. And he said, yeah, I wanted to get it that high, but, the business owner just won't go for it. And I was like, well, wait. I'm not telling you that just because it's a strip club, it should be $9, right? So what you want to realize is, let's say I have an ATM at a strip club and it's $9. And he has an ATM at a strip club and it's $5. And somebody else has an ATM at a strip club and it's $20. I don't know. It doesn't matter, right? What you need to do is stop assuming what the surcharges should be at a particular location, right? So don't assume that, all strip clubs got to charge these $9, right? What I told him, and my wife is getting ready to walk into this video. Say hi, babe. Hi, babe. So what I told him was, I'm not telling you to make it $9. I'm just saying you need to go around to other strip clubs in your area and you need to verify what the going surcharge is in your area for strip clubs, right? And if it's $9, then $9, you should have came in there knowing that, and boom, this is what the surcharge is going to be. This is the going rate, blah, 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 blah. You get what I'm saying? So that's one thing. Another assumption that people make is, okay, so I have an ATM in a Chinese restaurant. I talk about it a lot, right? It's the very first ATM that we have replaced, and it is amazing. It does awesome, right? It probably does, I don't know, 400, 500 transactions a month, right? Sorry. And so what happens is people are like, oh my God, Chinese restaurants are amazing. Let me go get a Chinese restaurant. You know what I'm saying? So they're making assumptions about my Chinese restaurant, right? Or another student has like this tattoo shop that is like banging. I mean, it is making money like crazy, right? So oh my God, tattoo shops. They are amazing. Let me go get tattoo shops. So just stop assuming that, okay, because I have a Chinese restaurant, you're going to get a Chinese restaurant that's going to do just as well as mine. Or stop assuming because a student of mine has a great tattoo place that you're going to get a tattoo place that does exactly what his does, right? That's just, it doesn't happen that way. Because you could, so I had a couple laundromats and they did horrible. They did horrible. It's not like it, but I'm not saying I'm never going to look at a laundromat, ATM situation again, right? Those two spots sucked, right? You might have a laundromat that does amazing, right? So just don't make, number one, those are just the two big examples, right? Stop assuming things, right? They say you make an ass out of you and me, right? But stop assuming about surcharges, right? Facts. We want facts. So go around the area, the local area, and know factually what the average surcharge is. Okay? That's easily done. Okay? Then number two, stop assuming that just because I have a great location that if you get one just like that, it's going to be exactly the same. Or vice versa, right? Now, here's the thing. I have another Chinese restaurant. Just placed it not too long ago. And you guys saw the video with it, right? Its first month, it got 70 transactions. Not too shabby for its first month, right? But compared to like 400 to 500 transactions in my other Chinese restaurant, like this one sucks. You know what I mean? But I'm not moving it. I'm going to leave it there. It's doing just fine. And it's literally down the street from me. So don't assume that just because I have a great Chinese location that yours is going to be great. Try it. Put it in there for a little bit of time. See how it does. Like tattoo spot. Try it. Put it in there for a little bit of time. See how it does. I have a tattoo shop. It sucks. But in all fairness to them and to me, I put it in there right before COVID hit and just shit got crazy, right? Just went to shit. So those were the two big assumptions that I want you to be conscious of that, if you're doing or thinking about doing, right? Don't just work with facts, right? Because there's facts that you can just go and find. Right? And you might say, but Carey, there's no other strip clubs in the area. Well, just go out a little bit further, And then, hey, that might give you the opportunity to raise your strip club. That's the deal with our strip clubs. They're not in it's not like a New York City or a Philly where there's tons of strip clubs around. You know what I mean? That's completely different. There's not many around. And, we get away with a $9 surcharge because there's not many around. Versus if we were in heart of New York City, we could probably charge $10, $20, something crazy. You know what I mean? I guess 9 and 10 are kind of the same though. But anyways, just don't make assumptions. Okay. I just want you to think about this factually. Okay. Just work through it. Go get average surcharge and then base your facts on that. Number one. Number two, don't assume that just because somebody has a particular location that is great for them, then it's going to be great for you. Try it. Do a trial period, right? See how it works out. And maybe it does end up being great for you. Maybe it sucks, and then you just want to move it somewhere else. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. If you got any questions, post them below. But those were the two big assumptions, ATM business assumptions that folks make that I don't want you to make anymore. All right? Any questions, post them below. Any ideas for future videos, post them below. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to click that ATM wherever the heck it is and subscribe to this channel. Slam that bell notification and make sure you select all so that every time I post a video, you get notified. And again, if you would like me to help you start and grow a profitable ATM business that'll help you to generate consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, you can go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click the link in the description. All right, I will talk to you soon. I'm going to finish my macadamia nuts, drink some water, and you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.